Hey guys, welcome to Java Python Interview Hub. Now, in our today's SQL question, the most important one, what is the difference between where and having while we are firing the query in SQL? So you can see that on your screen. Where is mainly used for the filter rows used before group by and cannot use aggregates. While for having filter groups used after group by and can use aggregate function. So where filter rows, select star from cells where amount greater than 1000. So here you can see that where clause is used, okay, while you want amount greater than 1000. Having filter groups, select region, comma, sum of amount from cells group by region having sum of amount greater than 5000. So it will create a group of different regions, right? And then after it will sum the amount region wise. So where works on individual records, having works on grouped data. Clear on where versus having? Like this video, ask doubts, subscribe to Java Python Interview Hub. Thank you very much, guys.